In this video, I will be showing you how to fix YouTube comment keyboard hanging problem. Let's get started. First, I open my browser and type YouTube in the search bar. Then, I click on the official YouTube link to open the website. Once YouTube loads, I navigate up to the top right corner and click on the 3 vertical dots to open the browser menu. From the drop-down menu, I select Settings. Inside Settings, I click on Privacy and Security on the left side menu. Next, I click on Delete Browsing Data. In the pop-up window, I make sure the time range is set to all time, and then I click on the Delete Data button at the bottom. After clearing the browsing data, I go back to the top right menu, click on Extensions, and select Manage Extensions. On the Extensions page, I locate the active VPN extension and toggle the switch off to disable it. Now, I head back to the Settings page and click on Settings again from the 3-dot menu. On the left menu, I select Performance. I scroll down to check the memory and speed settings to ensure everything is running smoothly. After that, I click on System from the left panel. Here, I check the system settings, such as running background apps and hardware acceleration, ensuring they are configured properly. Next, I go back to Performance to double-check the settings. Finally, I scroll down the left sidebar and click on About Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and begin updating to the latest version. Once the update reaches 100%, I click the Relaunch button to restart the browser. When Chrome reopens, it confirms that Chrome is up to date, which completes the process and fixes the YouTube comment keyboard hanging problem. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.